And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a J-cut. We're going to recreate this little clip from the intro, and it's going to explain to you a very easy concept in video editing. It's often used. So what we've got with the J-cut is simply that the audio blends in earlier than the video clip. And as I said, we're going to recreate the entire sequence. So first, right click in the projects menu, new item, black video. You can adjust the size if you want, but I'm going to use 1920x1080, which is perfect for YouTube videos. I'll put it in my timeline, and now I'll press T for the type tool. Let me type in, I don't know, video editing J-cut. I can resize that with the cursor tool. And in the graphics layout, I will find this edit function and I can center that. So this should be enough for the first part. The second part is this clip. You'll find that video description link below. I'll put it right here. You can see it's too small, so double click on it, resize it. And in the effect controls I can see I need 150 to make it fit. Right now we simply have a jump cut between these two elements. And a simple way to create a J-cut is simply to put the first element of video channel 2 and 3 and then reposition the racing clip to video channel 1, just like this. So the audio blends now in while there's still a black screen. And then we've got a jump cut to the video clip, and it's still synchronized. So the racing video clip and racing audio still fits. Maybe you want to add a blending effect. We can use the default here, just right click on it and apply it. And this idea of calling it a J-cut, it becomes more obvious if I rearrange it a little bit. So let me adjust this racing clip. But I don't just click and drag, I hold Alt and then click and drag only on the video file, that way the audio is left unaffected. And now I can reposition the first element. And now you can see this typical J shape. So the bottom of the J is the audio, and then it goes up to the next video clip, and that's why it's called a J-cut. You can also reposition this fading effect, but you might have to delete it and then right click and add it again, and now it's centered. You can adjust that in the effect controls. And this is the simple J-cut example, the exact clip that I've created in the intro. So as you've seen, it's fairly simple to create that. This J-cut is very often used. I hope you understand what it is and you can use it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.